Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 7th of March. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I'm doing the video for. Now please also note that tarot should always be used as a guide, okay? So only take what fits into your situation and ignore the rest. Don't force fit this into your situation, okay? Now let's quickly see what's happening for you this week. Now I see that you have the 10 of Swords, the 5 of Wands and the 8 of Swords. Your person has the 5 of Cups, the Queen of Wands and the Emperor card. Bottom of the deck I have the Empress, so it could be a match, okay, that you have with this person. So this person could be your soulmate as well. Now what I see for you here Cancer is you have the 10 of Swords. With that you feel backstabbed. There could be some information that you recently got to know and you feel that this is something that your partner should have told you, but this person did not, and you feel backstabbed in this entire situation. And that has caused a lot of stress to you because you were depending on this person, but today you feel that you can no longer depend on them, and that has also caused a lot of stress, a lot of guilt as well, okay? Now if this is something that you have done, then you are going through this emotion, but currently I see that this is something that is causing you a lot of stress, okay? Maybe there's something that you got to know recently and it shook you up. Now what I see for your person is they have the 5 of Cups. So with the 5 of Cups, yes, this person feels a little hurt, a little sad, because in the traditional tarot, if you look, 5 of Cups is when there are 3 cups that have already overflown and there are still 2 more cups and the person is not looking behind. So this person may currently feel that all is lost, okay, and there's nothing that they can do for this relationship, but that's not the case. This person is quite magnetic. With the Queen of Wands, if they get into this energy, yes, they can go ahead and make things happen for themselves, and they can also lead the situation with the Emperor card, but the only thing required is they have to come out of this 5 of Cups energy, okay? Now let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. Spirit, help me with one card here please. Alright, the intention of this person is the 3 of Pentacles. With the 3 of Pentacles, it involves a lot of teamwork, okay? So you have to collaborate, you have to work together to go ahead and make sure that this relationship moves forward. Alright, now let's take one more card here. Now that's the Devil energy, okay? Now for very few of you, there could be a third party involvement here with the Devil card. That's the negativity that is impacting the relationship, or that is something that was impacting this relationship and you were not aware of, that this person is doing something like this behind your back. Now let's take one more card here. Let's take one more card. And that's the Fool energy. With the Fool energy, that's Aries, okay? At one point in time when you get to know about all this, Cancer, there is a very high possibility that you will take a big leap of faith and you will just walk away in a totally different direction, okay? So that's something I'm seeing for you. Let's quickly go ahead and take one card, which is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So let's take one card here. Alright, the crystal that I see for you is the Maldivi, okay? The crystal message is, are you able to think beyond the ordinary? Is your heart open to love and inner peace? Awaken your consciousness and decide you want to see things from the greater perspective. Increased self-knowledge naturally allows for healing your heart, your relationship with others and the relationship you have with yourself. You have unlimited potential. Now the message here is from Archangel Raphael, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. Now that's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.